How to earn ACP and METIS rewards on Arena of Faith. Go to https://aof.global. Navigate to the Earn tab in the menu. Select Staking from the drop-down. Click on Stake, as demonstrated in this video tutorial. Input the amount of METIS tokens you wish to lock for staking. Press the Stake button and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Your METIS tokens are now staked on Arena of Faith, earning you rewards. If you wish to unstake your tokens, click on Unstake in the staking section. Enter the amount of METIS tokens you want to withdraw. Press Unstake and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully locked METIS tokens to start earning rewards on Arena of Faith. Happy staking!